Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're just going to do a quick program, a quick mini project here, micro project, not mini project, micro project, and we're going to check if the email entered is a valid email. So I'm going to use regex, so we're going to have to import regex, import RE. Okay, let's create the function first, and I'm going to call it check email. Okay, so we're going to do entry is equal to input and simply enter your email. And I'm going to do if not re dot search we're going to do r and then entry. Okay, so if that's not in the input box, and again re regex dot search here, again another r, and I'm going to do that entry. Okay, so if the at isn't in the entry and the dot here isn't in the entry, then we're going to print a message to the user saying print this email is not valid. It's going to be scalar entry. Else print valid entry. Okay, so this is going to be check email. Let's just save it there and let's just run it. So let's type in a valid email. So a valid email will be something like dave@hotmail.com. Okay, so this is going to be valid because we've got the at and we've got the dot there. So let's enter that. Valid entry. Okay, let's put something in that's not valid. Let's have a look. So dave@hotmail.com. Okay, so we've missed out the at and we've missed out the dot. Okay, so let's try half and half, shall we? So what we'll do is we'll run this and we'll say dave@hotmail.com. Okay, again, it's not valid because it's missing the dot there. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was useful. And remember, as always, if you've not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And sorry about this, my chest. And make sure you turn on all the bell notifications, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.